So here we have my Aeon Cobra 180 here, and on my last video I got a question regarding the wiring for the headlights, so I've gone ahead and removed this from there and unplugged the bulbs. So I've got the bulbs here, the main beam, and then see it goes down here, up onto in here, down there, and then it comes off and up there, where I believe it comes up to here then. So yeah, I'm not quite sure what this is for. If anyone knows, they could let me know, whether it's indicators or I'm not sure, so if anyone could let me know, that would be great. So then plugs in there, you can see it behind there goes up there, so and then so it goes down there and the bulb up in here, down through that, up there. One goes off to the speedometer, and then the other one comes off through there. And if you can see, as I'm pulling on this is moving, which will be attached to that. So hopefully that answers your question. Just if you know what this is for, if you could let me know, that would be great. Thanks for watching.